If you're having trouble with problems B, then really it comes down to only a couple things. Number one, you need to memorize what I keep telling you that you need to memorize. If we have 10.3 meters, that's going to be a displacement. If you have 10.3 meters per second, that's going to be a velocity. Now we have two different velocities to choose from. We could have a v initial or we could have a v final. You have to look and read the thing to figure out which one is which. If we go from something, then that's always going to be your v initial. If we're going to some number, that's always going to be your v final. So you got to look for things like that. If you, like in the very first problem, the bullet achieves a velocity. If it achieves a velocity, you don't achieve something at the beginning of your life or of a study or of a whatever. You achieve something at the end. So that's going to be the VF. So you got to look for that. You also have to look and see, is there a VI of 0 or a VF of 0 hidden somewhere inside the formula? So look through the thing, read the thing carefully, and see if one of those could be 0. Beyond that, of course, we have our last thing that goes in with the D's and the V's, and that was the one that we learned today. If you have 10.3 meters per second squared, that's going to be an acceleration. So if you can identify your variables correctly, then it just comes down to plug it into the formula and solve for the one that you don't have. That's all there is to it. If you can do that, then you can do anything in this class. This is the big important step. The other stuff, we're just going to add little nuances to it, but really this is the part you need to master. So get that stuck in your head. Oh yeah, we should also know that 10.3 seconds would be time, but most people have that one down pretty well because time is pretty easy for them. So if you're having trouble with these, then the things that I've circled and squared here, those 4 things, stick those into your head. Those are the most important thing to remember.